Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Funimation login not working problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.funimation.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top section of your screen. Here you'll have to enter your email address associated with your account and your valid password. Now in order to fix your problem, first of all check your internet connection if it is stable or not. And if internet isn't the problem, then recheck your email address and password. But if it still doesn't help, then try refreshing cookies and cache from the web browser that you're using currently. In order to do that, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Now go to Settings option. Click on Privacy and Security option. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can see that the options are selected by default. Here if you click on All Time option, you can select the time from which you wanna delete your data. Here I'm gonna select last 24 hours. Now tap on Clear Data button. Tap on Clear option. Once you do that, try again and log in. And that is how you can fix Funimation login not working problem. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.